What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Rio Wayne Trade. I am back to review days 5, 6, and 7. I fumbled the bag. Days 5, 6, and 7 for me trading was a nightmare, and I acted like it wasn't.
Nothing to see here, please.
I'm gonna be honest. For someone that got to this point funded, I don't know what I was doing, where my mind was, and who I was while I was doing it. I literally had a body experience for 3 days.
What can I say? I lost my mind.
Just threw my laptop out of the window. Every time I would have a bad day, I was back on the market the next day. If you'd have been like, hey, you done trading?
Absolutely fucking not.
Yep, that's how I felt because I thought that I was just going to make it back. My emotions were all over the board. This is why we always say psychology is so important. Discipline is so important. Trade your plan your trade. All of the cliche phrases. Yeah, I didn't do it. I didn't do any of it. Didn't stick to my trading plan, didn't stick to my rules. These losses are 100% on me. I didn't follow my system.
You big dummy.
It's crazy. I was just throwing money out the window. I don't know why. I don't know if I thought I had something to prove. I thought I was going to record the video and show green. I had one green day and then I went downhill from there. I am down $1,000 in each account. Over half my drawdown for these funded accounts is gone. If I had to pick a theme for the past 3 days, it would be fuck around and find out.
See, as you can see, the more you fuck around, the more you're going to find out.
And let me tell you, I found out. Let's look at what I did. I don't even need to show y'all the trades because there was nothing to show you. There was nothing to teach. There was no rhyme or rhythm to how I entered trades and what I was doing. I was all over the place. I thought I was a short-term 15-second scalper, and then I was a lines, and I was strategy hopping, blending. I don't know. I really don't know. So I can go into October and work my way out of this hole and put myself in, so that way I can get back to where I need to be. Here it is. 21% day win percentage. Lost $622. 26% win percentage. That is terrible. Profit factor of 0.55. Even worse. Look at the daily account balance. Minus 314. Minus 565. Minus 813. Minus 1,073. And you know how I felt in this market this week?
This is not me. I'm fighting for my life.
Yeah, I was fighting for my life. I could not figure it out that I needed to get back to my trading plan and just walk away from the charts for the week. So going into next week, this will not happen. This will not happen. 15 trades, 23 trades, 19 trades will not happen next week. 4 trades. 4 trades. 4 trades. I don't want more than 4. I cannot be doing tons of trades. All I can say to you is make sure you hold yourself accountable. And that's why I'm recording this video, right? This whole series and this journey is for me to look back on, to see, and to learn, and to just help one person. Like if you are a new trader and this helps the one person avoid the pitfalls. But honestly, I don't think you can avoid the pitfalls because I knew what I was doing when I was doing it, kind of, so to speak, but I just didn't stop. It's kind of like the kid that's addicted to sugar or a drug addict, right? I knew what I was doing. I was going for the dopamine rush of the gamble. I thought that, okay, if I, go max contracts, I was over leveraging, trying to get a revenge trade, trying to recoup my losses from the day before. I would start off I'm trading a London session. I wasn't trading a London session before. I'm trading distracted. Less is going to be more. I'm going to be very selective on the days that I'm going to trade. I'm going to focus on the gym. I'm going to flip the script. I'm coming in October. I'm going to flip the script. I'm down right now, but I'm not. So I am coming back. I will be back from this. How do you eat an elephant? One bite at a time. And I will be eating this elephant one bite at a time. Like I said, there's no trades review. We don't need to review the trades. It was bad. A lot of the setups, the crazy part, a lot of these setups had the right direction, and I trailed the stop too tight, whipped out, kept going in my direction. Um, I would jump in, add more to the trade, the opposite direction, flip flopping my bias. There was just a lot of little things that took me off of my game. Moving forward, we will do better, and we will hold myself accountable. And I'm going to lower my daily risk allotment now because now I have to climb out of this hole. I might split up the accounts. I don't know yet. I don't know. So we'll see. But stay tuned. We'll be back. That is it. Till next time.